Hi, I'm Vern Mullaney, President of Mullaney Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning. There's currently a great deal of uncertainty regarding the COVID-19 virus, so I wanted to reach out directly to you, our customers. Our company's purpose and mission over the past 63 years has been to provide exceptional service to our customers in times of need, which seems particularly important today. We know that you're relying on us to do and make sure that you have a functioning plumbing system, hot water, clear drains, heat and air conditioning. Our promise to you is that we are open and ready to serve you 24/7. We will continue to provide all services throughout the Lower Mainland. We understand the importance of keeping you and your family safe and healthy, as well as our dedicated team. For this reason, we have implemented steps to make sure that we can continue to serve you. Firstly, we are continuing to monitor and follow all Health Canada's regulations and recommendations. We are also increasing sanitation efforts with all of our staff, as well as providing technicians with boot covers, gloves. All staff have been briefed on safety practices within our customers' homes, including social distancing. We will greet you with a warm smile and not a handshake at this time. If any Mullaney team members are feeling unwell, we are supporting them to stay at home. To date, there have been no reported cases of employees exhibiting symptoms, but in the event that that changes, they will be self-quarantined along with any other employee who they had been in contact with. There are many things you can do in your home to protect your family and limit the spread of germs. It is important to follow advice from local authorities and Health Canada. Practice good hygiene by disinfecting and cleaning surfaces frequently, washing your hands regularly for 20 seconds, and ensuring your home's vents and filters are clean. Central heating systems are the lungs of your home. Indoor air quality systems can help us as they filter very small particles, kill germs, and help maintain a healthy environment. The health, safety, and well-being of our customers and team members is Mullaney's top priority. We will continue to monitor the global developments of COVID-19 virus and keep you updated, but rest assured that we will be here to support you and your family. Be kind to one another, and we will get through this together. Thank you.